Work on my den with me. Oh, I like this one. It's a show. I'm the hill. Set it with my rocks. Let's see. We need more rocks. And shells. Maybe acorns. Some good ones though. This whole area plus the swing is my den. I think it's a good little spot. There were some squirrels over here earlier. In the tree. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's just some styrofoam. There's some more. It's a good stick. Oh, there's something in there. Here. Probably some rats. Some mice. I'm gonna leave this area because ooh, pine cones. Twisty, twisty. There. Let's go with the pine cones. And again. I picked this area because this soft grass, that swing, and the moss on this hill. In this little area, it looks like a little river. I could sleep on the river for anything. I look up for now. Let's go adventure. Some more. Ooh, a brick. You think I could use the brick? Let's see what I can use this for. Maybe to surround my den. Like right here to mark my den. I might carve in a zebra or something into it. If I could find something that will carve it good enough. Or maybe use some chalk. I can totally use some chalk. A lot of leaves. Let's see if we can find any good rocks. Ooh, this one's good. So is this one. Better than the cup. Ooh, that one. Let's see. This one? There's a lot of little itty bitty ones. I don't want the tiny ones. But something that's good enough size so I could see it in the house. Don't lose it. This one's cool. Oh, good little bit, but could use more, you know? Never enough rocks. I might paint some more of my rocks that I have inside in my den. No, that leaf would be better. There are some like really big leaves up in there now. It come from the neighbor's trees. Maybe some flowers, you know? That doesn't look up. There's probably not a lot of flowers around because it's getting colder. But the ones we do find will make a good fit when we're done. Oh, I see this in this clover patch. There's some of these really pretty flowers. There's not much, so I'm gonna take one. And let's look, see what we got. Some 3-leaf clovers, because we don't know if there's any 4-leaf here. There's some big ones. I hear some acorns falling. That's enough. This is the hill. I got one of these things on the way. Let's use this shell as a little ball. Where are my tiny ones? This rock can go in a big one. My collection's growing so fast. And then my one big leaf. Ooh, an oyster shell. I dropped my ball. That's okay. There's an oyster shell. So, what kind of leaf is that? It's like all curled up. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go like the chalk now. I can put top on my little stone. Oh look, another big one. Beautiful. So we're gonna cut somehow. And hold it like this. So it won't fall again. That's better. I would put like a painting, but I don't want it to ruin the nail. I have a lot of big rocks in here. Wait, no, not in here. I moved them. I don't know where I got them. I think I put them in there.